Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get live HTML preview in Visual Studio Code. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks. Okay, the first step is to create a new HTML file. We write the code we want. Now we will go to extensions. And here we will look for live server. Click on this and install it. Now we will go to View, Command Palette. Here we will write Live Server and click in this one. It will automatically open a tab in your default browser. If I change anything in the code and then hit Save, it will update the server. If you liked the video, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks.